Hi guys, how are you? On today's show, I'm going to show you how you can make a conversation. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. What about you? I'm good. What's your name? My name is Willie. And you? My name is Sarah. How old are you? I am 24 years old. And you? I am 22 years old. Where do you live? I live at Betonville. And you? I live at Tapa. Good. How many brothers and sisters do you have? I have three brothers and three sisters. And you? I have two brothers and three sisters. Good. Do you live with your parents? Yes, I live with my parents. And you? Me too. I live with my parents. Okay, good. What grade are you? I am in seventh grade. And you? I am in ninth grade. Good. Okay, thank you, Sarah. I'm glad to know you. I'm glad to know you too. See you next.